What's your name?
Paris.
Paris? Good girl. Very good mother. Guys, so gidalang tantaran.
Yeah. Pila mag kilo, ma'am? Rasyon?
Isang tunga lang ako, Noy.
Pila man, ma'am? 1/4?
1/4. 1/4. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday everyone. Super energetic ni ate nyo today kasi it's public holiday dito sa Melbourne. So wala akong pasok ngayon pero nakabihis si ate nyo kasi may lalakarin tayo with Baby Paris. Kasi si Baby Paris walang childcare din kasi Friday, di ba? Yung trabaho kasi ni Daddy Mike guys, kapag hindi nationwide yung public holiday, magtatrabaho pa rin sila. Kaya yun, but Daddy Mike is not complaining kasi pag public holiday and nagtatrabaho sila, double pay yun. Kaya, he's very happy with that. Anyways, alis na tayo kasi ang ating baby girl sa labas ay hinahanap na ako. Tinatawag din niya ako. Ay, nakalimutan ko i-mention sa inyo guys. So, yung lalakarin pala natin today is, I'm going to see my bestie. Oh my God! We haven't seen each other in person for so long guys dahil sa lockdown na to. Kaya we decided na mag-meet up today kasi pwede na namang mag-meet up. Hindi nga lang pwedeng bumisita sa bahay. Pero we can meet up somewhere. Magpipiknik daw kami guys sa park. Yes, Paris!
Yes, Mommy.
Hi.
Look! Morning!
Mommy. Yes, Mommy.
Yes, my love?
Father.
It's a spider! Tingnan niyo ang suot ni Paris guys. Oh, yung dress na binili ko online. Super cute. Excuse me, Daddy.
Father.
Yeah, let me have a look at your dress,
We
babe.
give her father and we give her
Ooh.
father.
What's that?
We give her father. Nana.
Nana? Come on, let's go.
Daddy, say goodbye to Daddy.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
It's baby.
Bye, Daddy.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
It's baby.
Bye-bye, Daddy, Nana.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Kiss. Kamek.
Morning.
Morning. Kiss. Kiss, kiss. Dali ka.
Ang silingan na mo ah.
Kiss.
See you, Daddy. We will. Wait for Mommy, Paris. Excited na ang ating bulilit na maliit. Nak, are you excited, Nak? Are you excited? Wait, let's say good morning here first, B.
No.
Wait, hala. Wait, sige na. Oh, hala. Have a look at you, oh. Nak, have a look at your dress. Show your dress. Wow.
My bucket.
A blanket? It's a dress. Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay, sa si Mama, be. What's that?
My Fanta coming. I'm coming.
What's that sound?
Say Nino.
Nino.
Is this an ambulance? Is this an ambulance?
Is that an ambulance?
Yes.
Do you reckon? Is it an ambulance or a fire truck? What do you think? What do you think?
It's just car.
The car. Tita is going.
This is so funny. Wow, good, my car.
Bye, Tita.
Bye, Tita.
Ashush.
This is
Kiss
ask
si Mama,
me.
be. I love you.
Don't ask me. Don't ask me. No.
Let's go. Guys, it's now 11:12 ng umaga at nag-stop lang kami dito sa KFC kasi last night nung nag-usap kami ng bestie ko, sabi niya na magluluto daw siya ng Filipino spaghetti. Tapos, I'm not too sure kung ano yung dadalhin ko. Ang sabi niya na magdala ka ng Jollibee. I wish my Jollibee guys, diba? But, I decided na I think yung pinaka-closest talaga sa Jollibee ay yung KFC. And malapit kami sa KFC. Kaya yun, nag-drive-thru kami ni Paris. Bumili kami ng Kentucky Fried Chicken, Wicked Wings, and then itong popcorn chicken for Baby Paris. Ayan. And then, frozen Pepsi. Ayan. So now we're gonna go guys. Kasi 12 pa naman yung usapan namin and maybe the drive there will take not even half an hour maybe. Or maybe just half an hour. I'm not too sure. Pero hindi siya malayo guys. Kaya chill lang tayo. Huwag tayong magmadali kasi may time pa tayo. Yeah, Paris!
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, my love. Yay! Do you like it?
Yes.
Wow, good girl.
Huh?
Ooh, what's in that?
Pea.
What's the color of the lid?
Red.
Red. Good job, my love.
There.
Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Ready?
Steady, go.
Good job. Ayan yung KFC, guys. Oo, sa harapan lang.
And the race.
Race? Do you want Mama to go faster?
Okay.
Agoy, di ay nak. Madakpan sa list po. Oh my God, guys, you won't believe it. It's now 12 o'clock and kanina pa pala kami dito pero wala talaga siyang parking. I think we spent at least 20 minutes maghanap lang ng parking. Si baby Paris natin, umiiyak na kasi sabi niya, Mama, let's get out, let's get out. Pero finally, guys, nakahanap kami ng isang parking. Tapos kailangan pa talagang reverse parking. Kasi nasa gitna ba, may sasakyan doon, tapos may sasakyan sa likod. So kailangan mong umano sa gitna. Oh my God. So stressing. Anyways, are you ready, honey? We're going?
Please.
Oh yes, please, kawawa naman ang ating baby. Alright guys, let's go. So dito kami guys, ayan. Ang suba nila. Murag ibahaan. Color chocolate ang kanilang tubig. Ang ating diwata, naglalakad. Ang aking bestie pala guys, wala pa dito. They're coming pa. May cafe dyan, Bili muna kami ng hot chocolate.
I can play toy, Mommy.
Do you wanna play, Bala?
The toy.
Toys?
Okay.
Okay.
Come.
Did you see the water?
Let's play.
Yeah, have a look at the water there. Nagbaha. Bumili muna ako ng hot chocolate guys while waiting. Ang aking bestie ay wala pa rin. Ang ating baby girl ay nandyan. What are you eating na? What are you eating?
Rocks.
Rocks. That's right, stones. Stones. What's that?
Here you go, Mommy.
Put it back. Hindi na ato eh. Guys, si Mama, be. Gamay lang, be. Give some to Mommy, be.
Hey, what's this?
What's that?
It's me there.
A what?
Me butter.
A what? Yeah, give to Mama, be. Yum, 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 yum. Hala, laog nga bata. Dili mangatag siyang Mama.
Sad?
Yes, Mama is sad.
Mom sad too.
You're sad too? Why?
I want to go sleep.
Do you wanna go? Where?
In the beach.
In the beach. In the beach daw. Hi guys! Finally! After 2 hours. The parking is so hard. Ayan, meron kaming pa-picnic na nalalaman. So this is Gav. And that's Ron, my bestie. Oh, diba? Beautiful. Pakita dyan? Abi? Pakita, Abi? Pag nag-bra ka, wala.
No.
Hey!
Oh,
Wow, there you go.
Huh?
It's not your shirt,
No.
it's Gav's shirt.
Doesn't fit me.
Twin.
It doesn't matter. What's yours is his. What's
Well, I
his is
believe that's
his.
what I'm told.
Yeah. Naman lagi. You said there's no drinks.
No, I'll grab it too.
Ah, okay.
It's not cold though.
That's the problem with we got Instagram and we got WhatsApp and we got like the normal messages. I just don't know where he messaged me.
I totally forgot about it. Do you eat cheese?
Yes. Wow, no, bonggang food.
Do you want cream? Do you want like...
Yes. There you go.
Here you go.
You're right, Paris. What's this one? What's this one?
Chips.
Chips. Long coffee.
Cheese.
You went to your market.
Yeah.
Paran market. Oh, have a look at our food, guys. Oh, this cheese. Anong kasing cheese to te? Oh, Tagalog.
Mommy
Oh,
can
Tagalog. Ano nga cheese?
Brie. Double cream choo-choo.
Oh, thank you. Do you want some?
Double cream.
Okay, there you go. Paris can have that. We'll share, okay?
Oh, sure. What?
You can share.
Double-
Yan.
double-
Blueberries. May kamatis tea.
Me.
Kamatis?
Yeah, tomato. These are Israeli eggplant and Thai chili carrot
Mommy?
cake. Cake.
I'm
No.
gonna have some.
Wanna have some? Which one?
Gavin doesn't eat pork.
Which one, my love?
Another thing? Another platter?
No, it's just
Yum.
It's so yummy.
prosciutto.
It's so yummy.
It's butter.
Huh?
This is butter?
That's water. No, that's Sprite. That's Sprite.
It's so yummy.
The chicken beef?
No. Did you get weak beans?
Yes. Girl. KFC. Yes, my love. She's so excited this morning. So like Uncle Ron. You know? Some ums. That's ums.
Cheers.
Cheers, Paris.
Cheers.
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 Cheers, Gav. Yay!
Finally.
Finally. Hopefully we can visit your mansion again. Very good mother.
Just like, get me out of here.
Good man. Rich.
For me?
Dato.
Thank you.
I love your dress.
Nanak, I love it too. She's like that too. She's like that.
I love it too.
It's a,
Again?
I'm sad. I'm sad too.
I'm sad. I'm sad too, man.
Yum? Yummy?
Hey? Let's get to Paris.
He's just making exercises out.
Oh.
May tao.
Oh?
Tingnan nyo guys.
Paris there?
Ang pagkain.
Is Paris there?
Yeah. May naiwan pa. There's more
Can I
KFC
speak to
ga.
Paris?
There's more KFC.
I'm aware.
Paris speaking?
I'm just being polite.
Paris speaking. Hello. Ayan, ang chips wala
Hello?
na. Let's see. Mura nagi kaw-kaw sa
Mommy!
It's a cup.
No.
Is it
Stuck
no?
on your
wow. Stuck in the face.
Oh no.
Okay, yeah.
It's fun. It's my nose.
Yeah, it's
It's
so
your
funny.
nose.
It's your nose.
It's your nose.
My nose, mommy.
It's your nose.
Is that your glasses? Is that your sunnies?
What's up?
There, mommy. There,
Kasi
mommy.
na ka bring house.
Mommy, mommy, mommy. There.
Where's the sun? There?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I love your sunnies. Sus na pa siya panana ti usay. Da. Wala kag korek.
So you haven't cut her hair yet?
No. Wow, so beautiful. What's your name? What's your name?
Paris.
Paris.
Look for Daddy.
Good girl.
You don't have grass like this.
Huh?
You don't have grass like this.
Come on, Paris.
Can you imagine team ano ito? Udu, alas 12. Lapat.
Basta na kayo bayad.
Lapat is real.
Tignan nyo guys, oh. Oh.
Reused yun. Mahal yun. Turalay. Okay naman, reuse ka rin bala.
Hala,
Nagaba mo ka
umuulan na siya guys.
siguro. Nagaba mo ka. Ano lang. So pillow. Reuse.
Kaya guys, o gidalang tantaran.
Yeah. Pila man kilo, ma'am? Rasyon?
Isang tunga lang ako, noy.
Pila man, ma'am? 1/4?
1/4. 1/4.
Lechon.
1/4. Paris! Naginusara ng batang gamay. Ali!
There's
Ali na na kayo, it's raining na na.
Bees on the flowers.
Huh?
She's watching
Bees?
the bees.
Ah, is it bee? Who got this?
Hi guys! So it's now 2 o'clock ng hapon and it's starting to rain. So we gotta make a move. Ayan o, nalinisan na konti. Thank you for the food! And our baby Paris is there, playing with Gal. Hello. There you go.
They're throwing tomatoes.
Huh?
They're throwing
tomatoes. You've seen my, guys, many times in my vlog already. Oh, if you haven't watched that, what was that thing?
House tour and
The house tour.
and
Okay, put the
surprise choo-choo.
Yeah, put the link. Put the link here.
Put
Here.
the link here.
If you haven't watched that video as yet, you will enjoy that video, guys. Sobrang funny. So it's now 5 o'clock ng hapon and papasok na kami ng bahay. Actually, kanina pa kami nakauwi mga 4:20 pero si baby girl natin ay nakatulog sa sasakyan kaya hinintay ko na lang muna. And now, nagising na. Tsaka pa kami pumasok. Ayan. Whew! Sakit ng ulo ko, guys. Uy! Oh, what's wrong? Ang buhok, guys, oh, kasi bagong gising. Where are you going? Where are you going? Mama, go in now. Where is Paris going? Huh? Hello, Mama's going in now. Kwarto na kami and Paris is giving me medicine, guys. Oh, kasi sobrang sakit talaga ng ulo ko, guys. Huh? Give Mama medicine, nakbe. Which one? Not the bandage, be. This one, oh. Panadol. So I'll take 2 Panadols.
Mommy.
Huh? Oh, this one, nak. Oh, Panamax na lang, nak. This Panamax. Inom tayo ng dalawa para maging okay na tayo. Anak, oh, this one, nak. Give Mama 2, please, doctor.
No.
Ang buhok, muragi sabong na manok.
Not this one.
Huh?
Not this
No,
one.
this one. Why not? Oh, I'll quickly show you my outfit, guys, ha? Tingnan nyo. Oh my God. Nakaporma pa si ate nyo today, guys. Nasa park lang naman pupunta. But, you know, me and my bestie, we really love dressing up. We both love dressing up. And, yeah, it's been a while na hindi kami nakapagsuot ng mga, yung tawag na, hindi mga pambahay na damit. Alam niya yun. Kaya sabi niya, okay, let's do it. Kaya, ito lang yung, ko guys, sinuot ko. So, I'm wearing the Zara white bodysuit. Yung halter neck. Yan, sobrang ganda. And then, this one here, the denim skirt from Sports Girl. Nabili ko pala to siya sa ukay-ukay, guys. This one. And then, this blazer I've got from Mossman. Super nice. I love the color. It's pink. It's so me. And then, pinair ko lang yung pink na muse ko rin para bumagay siya sa aking, dito, sa aking blazer. Love it. Park lang naman pala, guys. Saan ang meeting mo, te? Whatever, guys, diba? Dress up for yourself, not for other people. Like, if it makes you happy, then do it. And this makes me happy, guys. I love dressing up so much. And I'm so happy that I was able to go out. And, yung medyo malayo-layo din yung biyahe. Kasi, we've been stuck in this 5 kilometers bubble. And first time namin na parang medyo malayo-layo na yung Yung bahay kasi ng bestie ko, guys, yung park na pinuntahan namin, Melbourne City na talaga yun. Parang how many kilometers na lang para syudad na. Kaya yun, yan yung outfit natin. And then yung suot ng baby girl natin, ayan, yan yung binili natin sa eBay, which is the gourmand dress. It suits her, I think. Bias ba, guys? Kasi anak ko, but no. I think, yeah, I think she looks really good. And that shirt, and that dress. Nak, where's my Panamax, nak? Si mama na lang, nakbi. Sakit na itong ulo, nak. Di makagbali-bali. Yan, Panamax. Who's there?
It's Tito.
It's Tito, is it?
It's Tito.
It's Tito.
It's Tito Uncle.
It's Tito Uncle, yeah. He's fixing his bike. Guys, alis kami ni Paris, guys. Labas muna kami ulit. Punta kami ng shops kasi...
Tito Uncle fixes bikes.
Yes, my love.
It's his bikes.
Yes, my love. Yes, fixing his bike. He's finished now. Tingnan niyo ang buhok ni Baby Paris, guys. Oh, binalibog ko. Super clean na ng mukha niya, tingnan. Kanina, parang gilayog. Come on, Nak. Let's go. Let's go.
My finger!
Yes?
My finger!
What happened to your finger?
I got a boo-boo.
Oh, show your finger. What happened to your finger?
I got a boo-boo.
Ay, shush na, bubo. Cute-cute niya, guys. Oh, ng buhok niya. Oh, nilagyan ko na.
Bye, Didi, dumba, boo-boo. I know her do one day.
Bandage and the kiss just right will make.
Boo, 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 bye. What's more now?
Magluluto na sana ako, guys, ng menudo kasi meron akong mamasitas na yung nasa sachet ba. Tapos ngayon, yung meat na nilabas ko, it doesn't look right. Parang off na yata yun siya, guys. So, yun. Bibili tayo ng Kaya nga, ayaw kong magbili ng mga meat in advance kasi na-off sila. Sayang ba? Sabi kay Paris, since gusto ni Paris na lumabas pa, sabi ko, let's go in the car na lang. Punta tayo ng grocery. Bili kami ng pork para dinner namin tonight.
Mommy,
What happened?
I got big poo.
May pig poo-poo? Oh, no. What's the sound of the fat? Thank you, Daddy pala, kasi naglinis si Daddy, guys, nung nandun kami ni Paris sa park. Naglinis siya. Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome, Mama.
Ayan. And then, meron tayong $20. Ayan. Kasi, kanina, nung nasa park ako, kahapon pala, nag-post ako sa, sa Facebook Marketplace ba. Kasi binibenta ko yung jeans ko na hindi ko na sinusuot. Come on, because it's raining, anak. Run.
On the car.
Here.
The hat.
Here.
It has a hat.
Umuulan na naman, guys.
I see boo-boo.
Bear, bear.
Boo-boo. I think
Nawong ni nanay, oy. Ang nawong ni nanay, oy.
my boo.
Alin na, kasi ulan na, nak. Hi, naay madipadol so niya, anak. Kayugma. Yeah, tomorrow. Because it's raining. Come on na. Where's the car? Tito and tita. Come on na, run to daddy. Mommy's coming. Of course, mommy's driving.
My pet driving.
Paris is driving, is she?
No, my driving.
Hi guys! So it's now 7:30 ng gabi and kakauwi lang namin from the shops. So it is a bit late now. Hindi na ako magluluto ng menudo. Yun sana yung lulutuin ko. Pero I decided bukas ko na lang lutuin yun. Kasi pumunta kami sa grocery shop na medyo malayo dito sa amin, guys. Kasi si Daddy Mike kasi sobrang tagal na hindi siya nakalabas ng suburb namin. And kaya yun, sabi ko, okay, let's just go there. And it was around 15 minutes drive. Kaya yun, medyo natagalan kami. Kaya bumili na lang kami ng roast chicken from Coast. And yan na lang yung dinner namin. Magluluto lang ako ng rice ngayon para ipares natin sa ating chicken. Oh, look at your lips, oh. Ooh, are you a fish? Are you a fish? Guys, share ko lang yung ating positive quote of the day kasi baka makalimutan ko. Ayan. So it says, I choose to be happy. Yes, we should all choose to be happy. Kumain na pala si Daddy Mike, guys. Ayan yung kanyang dinner, oh. Ayan. Ako, hinihintay ko pa yung aking rice. Still cooking. I-end ko na pala yung vlog namin dito, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog namin for today. Super happy talaga na nakakalabas na kami. At least, 25 kilometers. It's much better than 5 kilometers, guys. Hopefully, sa Sunday, yung premiere namin dito sa Victoria, he will do another announcement. And hopefully, it's another good news. But for now, nakaset... What is it, anak? Nakaset na yung mga shops. Everything will open on the 1st of November. But hopefully, they can bring it, forward for, another week earlier. But we'll see how it goes. we will pray and hope, guys. But ngayon ay mag-shoutout lang tayo, guys. Kay ang ating baby gusto nang mag-dede. Shoutout to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Vicky Inot. Renar May Rica Huerta. Shoutout to Susan Areza from Rizal Province. Gladys Mandanhuyan. Chari Salazar. Lavella Raduk. Lisan Bansil. Marivic Valcorza. Clarice Torres. Shout out to Ibert Suta 53 and to Maria Micaela Sueta. Shout out to Inday Chen Chen. Shout out to Banji Waknang, Taruza Jani, Lourdes Marie Velita, Amelita Balajan. Wait, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Paris?
Taris.
Shout out to Karen B, Annabel Guevero, Claudio Torrijos, Alan Esteves, Maricar Castaneda, Lizelle Iga, and Cheryl P. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Yeah. Bye-bye.
close. Here, good girl.